Hello guys, good evening. Andito kami sa Makaran Rental Car. Re-renta tayo kasi pupunta kami ng San Diego ngayon. Doon ko i-celebrate yung birthday ko, surprise ng aking mga pamilya. So we need a 7-seater, so magre-renta tayo. Meron kaming sasakyan pero hindi kami kakasya lahat doon. Come on, let's go guys.
One more week. I'm just gonna say that. One more week. For like on the high road.
So yan guys, let's go get the car. Celebrate ko guys yung birthday ko raw sa San Diego. See you in San Diego guys. Kontak ka, nakatao lang ka. Honda. What's cheaper?
This one or the they're all seven. Yep. You decide you're gonna drive. This one, the minivan. We can do that one. The minivan. Is it gonna go? Is it more or is it the same?
Is it the same car?
Yeah, same price.
Oh, this one.
But that's 7-seaters.
Yeah, you can look at all of them.
Let's see which one is
Bigger. I want this one. Well, it's like this. It's like this inside.
Go check
Is there people in the back?
Tara na ba? Go. No, the black one.
I don't even know how.
Yeah, malaki. Okay, go, go, go. No, 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 no. Just push it.
And then like go. Mas malaki to. Is it? Yeah. This one don't have space at all.
you going? We drop first. LA.
No, I'm asking, are we in LA or San Diego?
LA, 1 hour more, maybe. LA first, then San Diego. Guys, no sa taas, oh.
It's traffic.
After 270 miles from Las Vegas and 4 hours and 20 minutes to drive ang biyahe. Now we are here at the Portos Bakery and Cafe. Dito sa 7640 Beach Boulevard, Buena Park, California guys. Para bibili ng mga masasarap na tinapay. Ang Portos Bakery ay dinarayo pa ng mga bisita na galing ng iba't ibang lugar, malalayong lugar katulad namin guys. At talagang sinadya namin dinaanan na namin ng maaga ito kasi pinipilahan talaga ang mga tao at aabot hanggang sa labas ng pilahan guys. So bago kami tutungo sa San Diego, dumaan na kami dito sa Portos para bumili ng masasarap na tinapay. Baga kasi hindi na kami makabili pag uwi. So early morning, as you can see guys, marami ng tao na nandito at busy na sila. Ang dami talagang pupunta dito na bumibili ng mga masasarap na tinapay guys. Ewan ko ba at ang sarap ng gawahin nila. So ayan si Jomara nagbabayad. At si Kimberly naman nakabili na tapos na nakabayad. So ayan. Tapos dito naman sa gawing kanan mayroong mga iba't ibang klaseng drinks, may kape, parang Starbucks na rin itong maraming bumibili. Ako ang binili kong drinks ko yung strawberry mojito. And $4 something, almost $5
$4.50.
including tax.
Okay.
Sarap kasi yung yung tinapay nila dito, guys. Kaya talagang sinadya namin dumaan na dito. So ayan, makikita nyo ang dami ng tao agad. And this time early morning. So ayan guys,